First up, right on top, already happy because y'all know I complain every single month. I want a palette in every single box. Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I just received my Ipsy Extra for the month of March. I'll pop some deets right here for you guys, and we're gonna dive in. Alright, it is generally packaged pretty well. We have a piece of foam, and we also have our little pamphlet here. We generally have a theme for the month. Ipsy for March 2026. Do less, glow more. Find your light again with nourishing skincare, warm, earthy colors, and simple moments that ground you, because when you slow down, your glow shows up. And then we get a little informative pamphlet. It will give us kind of pertinent details, dates, information, things like that. I do prefer, if we're going to have something like this, like in the way that Allure does things, if I have an informative pamphlet, I want it to tell me about my products. You know, otherwise don't waste the paper. First up, right on top, already happy because y'all know I complain every single month. I want a palette in every single box. That is old school boxy charm. Maybe that's my mentality because I am such a long time subscriber and stuff like that, but I want to see a palette. First up is the Artist Couture, the Supreme Nudes palette. I'm going to say before I even open this up, it feels very heavy. It already feels like nice quality and stuff like that. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. I like that. It has like the little protective cover here. All right, we also have the mirror protector here, a little piece of plastic. It is kind of a standard nude, neutral leaning palette. It does go light to dark. I feel like the ratio to the mattes and shimmers is really nice. So I like this. I don't think I have a whole lot of experience with Artist Couture, but if you guys would like me to come back and do a look, if that is something you guys are interested in, I will come back and do that for you guys. A lot of the times though, you guys know I'm very mindful about waste. If I don't think I'm going to use something, it would generally end up in my resale group over on Facebook. But if you do want to see a look, please let me know. But already starting off with a bang. I think it's beautiful. Next up is the Lily Lips All the Fills 3D Brow Tinted Fiber Gel. Ooh, that sounds nice. And the shade I received is dark brown. And people ask me all the time, why do I hold these sideways? Because if I'm holding it straight up to camera, I film on my phone, then you're not really seeing the product in its entirety. Whereas if I do this, you automatically see everything that's going on. I do just want to see what this looks like and see if it is a kind of brush shape and stuff that I will use. I like the packaging. Again, it has some weight to it. If this is not a teeny tiny little wand, I'll probably pass it along, and it is. That excites me. I'm gonna kind of test it. I obviously have makeup on. Ooh, it does add little fibers in there. Whoa! Ooh, I like the color of that too. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. I think I'm gonna like that a whole lot. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna like it so much I'm not putting it back in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and toss the box. If you've tried anything too, please let us know. Next up is the Cheekbone Beauty, the Illuminating Primer Gel in Moon Dew. Ooh, that sounds nice. And they are an indigenous indie makeup brand. I do follow them over on Instagram. So this is giving kind of like the Say like liquid gel thing. These are not always my favorite types of products. I do just quickly want to swatch it and maybe I can put it on one side of my face. If this has a really nice set down, a nice dry down, I will like it. If it does not and it kind of remains sticky, tacky, does not have a dry down, I'm going to absolutely hate it. So I'll put it in place. The shade of it though is stunning. I think if you have lighter to medium skin, you would be okay. I think if you have deeper skin, hopefully they have different options. Ooh, that's very, very pretty. It's catching the light beautifully. Okay, I'll check that in a second. Not my favorite type of product, but like I said, if it sets down, it is something I would use. Next up is the Feel. We have gotten like the fur oil something or other from them quite a few times. This is the Feel Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser with hemp seed oil. Antioxidant rich, reduces redness. Yes, please. And gently cleanses. Color me intrigued, y'all. I'm excited about that. I think I will definitely get some use out of that as well. I do love a cleansing oil, cleansing balm. This does feel slightly thicker and a little bit more viscous, which is what I love. I do not like an oil, and I cannot remember the very specific one that everybody was raving about. I absolutely hated it. If it is so oily that it's just like water and it's just splashing everywhere, I do not like those. But I'm kind of seeing that this does have a little bit of viscosity to it, so I think I'll like this too. Y'all, I'm loving this box. And then last up from Ipsy Extra for March is the Fenty Hair. I've already tried this and I love it. The Fenty Hair, the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. This smells divine. I got when this very first launch. They had like a little mini duo set. I absolutely love it. The way that it smells, it's very rich, very dense, but doesn't weigh the hair down. This is great. And this, I'm almost positive, is well over the price of our box. So y'all, I'm excited as hell. That is baby, that is the size of my big old head, okay? Yeah, I'm thrilled. So we got the Fenty Hair product. We got the Feel Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser. We got our Cheekbone Beauty Illuminating Primer Gel. Now keep in mind this is meant to be underneath if it's saying, you know, if it's saying a primer gel, but you could absolutely use it like this and it did set down. So I think underneath the makeup it would be even more beautiful and give me that kind of lit from within glow that I really love in my makeup, having drier skin. I'm intrigued by this for sure. We had the Lily Lashes or Lily Lips, the brow product. I think I'm also gonna really love this. And then our Supreme Nudes from Artist Couture. Again, let me know if you guys want to see a look on this. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. I like the variation here. We have something for the hair, some skin, a little bit of makeup kind of thrown in there, and of course, a freaking eyeshadow palette. Ipsy, baby, look. I know y'all don't know I exist, even though I do get PR, so maybe you know I exist, and somebody might watch this. Please put a palette in every box. That is it. I'm thrilled. Are we box twins? Did you guys get the same products? Is there something in here you wanted and you did not get? Is there some in here you've tried and you absolutely hated? We want to know all the tea, you guys. Comment down below and let me know. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can also share the video out. It helps me so much, as does watching the video in its entirety. You can tap your bell notification so you never miss any uploads. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member to get some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.